you're encountering Cloud Save Error 2025 in The Sims 4, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saving. Step 2. Restart The Sims 4. Close the game completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the cloud service and may resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Check for updates through the game launcher or your gaming platform to ensure you have the most recent patches. Step 4. Clear cache. Clear the cache for The Sims 4. Navigate to the GameOS folder in your documents, find the cache files, and delete them. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing the error. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to EA support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance and troubleshooting tailored to your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Cloud Save Error 2025 and enjoy your game without interruptions.